What's going on, guys? This is Chef Matthews coming to you. Today we're going to do some Steak Chimichurri Quesadillas. This is what the finished product's going to look like. We got that chimichurri sauce on top, and let me show you guys what I did. First, we're going to start off by seasoning our cutting board. We're going to trim off that fat on these steaks. All right. Put some black pepper on there, plenty of black pepper. All right, we got that hot and spicy Buttnaked. We're going to roll that over. Now we're going to start rolling our meat side to side, back and front. All right, guys, you know that's the secret. Never season your meat, always season your board, right? Y'all know this, right? All right, guys. All right, guys, we're going to let them steaks sit on the side. We're going to cut up our trinity. We got some peppers, onions. We're going to chop them up real fine. Set them to the side. All right, now we're going to take some parsley for the chimichurri. All right, we're going to chop that up real fine. We're going to dice it up. And just put it to the side after we finish dicing it up. A little red chili flakes. A little heat. Now we're going to peel some garlic and chop those up. Come on, Buttnaked, hurry up. Let's go. All right, we're going to chop up some shallots as well. All right, I chopped up some jalapenos too. All right, we're going to add a little bit of that trinity that we chopped up. We're going to add that to it. We're making the chimichurri right now. A little balsamic vinegar, some olive oil. I always do 2 parts of olive oil to 1 part balsamic vinegar. Hit it with some lime. Lime makes it pop, guys. Put the lime in it. Now we're going to hit it with that Creole dust. Put as much as you want, but the recipe is in the description. Black pepper, plenty of black pepper. All right, we're going to mix that up. All right, it's kind of thick right now. I want to loosen it up, so I'm probably going to put some more olive oil, some more vinegar in it. Now let's heat that pan up. Let's get these steaks ready. All right, put them steaks at a high temperature heat, about 420 degrees. I'm using grapeseed oil because it's got a high smoke content. All right, when we put them steaks in, we want to press them down. We want it flat because we want to develop a nice crust on them steaks, okay? All right. We flipping them. All right, check out the crust, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that crust. That's what we want to develop, a nice crust. All right, let's finish up mixing that chimichurri. All right, the steaks are nice. Now I want to add some of that chimichurri on top just to give it some more flavor. What do y'all think, guys? Looking good? Yeah, baby. Rub it on in there. Flip real quick, see what we're looking like. Oh, we look good. Okay, let's go. All right, guys. Now we're going to take these steaks off, let them rest on this cutting board for about 10 minutes because I want all that juices. I want all the juice in those steaks to redistribute back into the meat, so we're going to let them cool. We're going to top it with some chimichurri just to give it some flavor. We're going to ladle that on. Looking good? All right. All right, let's slice and see what we look like. We got a nice medium well on them. You slice them up however you want to. You can cube them, you can slice them. I'm doing like fillets, so we're going to lay them down. We're going to slice them real nice and thin. All right. And all that au jus, all that juice, we're not throwing that away. We're going to put that right back in the bowl because that's what we're going to fry the tortillas in. And that juice. And that steak juice. All right, put our tortillas down, roll in that steak juice, then we'll flip it. Put that cheese on. The steaks down. All right, hit it with that onion, hit it with that trinity, them peppers and onions. Now we're going to hit it with the chimichurri. Hit it with some more cheese. And And that's it. Now let's flip it. Put some more of that juice down, some more of that steak gravy. Repeat the process. And there it is. Let's flip them. See, we got a good crust. Yeah, it's looking good. Looking real good. Man, I wish y'all could smell this. Lord. All right, guys, it is done. Let's take them off. All right, guys, let's slice them. All right, and we're going to top it off with some of that chimichurri sauce. What do you think? Looking good? All righty. Squeeze a little fresh lime on it for some pop. And there it is, baby. Let's eat. Yummy. Everything but naked.